Hey guys, Steve Welch here, standing in front of a new 4Runner and a new Corolla Cross here, just kind of showing you something here real quick. So I've showed you on a lot of vehicles before how the back hatch, obviously you hit the button and the hatch comes up, you hit the button, the hatch goes down. If it's a power hatch, if it's not, doesn't really matter. Underneath you've got the pad on these that will open it, and I'll use this light here and kind of show you that you got this pad that will open right here. They'll open it, and then you got a little tiny little bubble that's on the back side here, and what that little bubble does, if you hit that and you got the key within 3 feet, that little bubble will lock all the doors. So I'm going to come over to the 4Runner here, and what you'll notice is that you have the same kind of a pad right there that you put your finger on in order to open the door, but there's no bubble on the opposite side. So as best as you can see that, there's no bubble on the opposite side. So you might think that, man, I can't lock my car from back here, but there's actually a trick to how you can. You might ask, what's the trick? Why don't I need that bubble on the 4Runner? And it's actually kind of genius, right? So if you look over here, you're gonna see these two up and down buttons, and they have the lock and the unlock right there, which tells you exactly what they're gonna do. So as long as I got that key, which is in my pocket 3 feet away or less, I hit that button. You see how that just flashed there? I have locked the doors. If I hit that button down, even without rolling down the window, I've just unlocked the doors. But if I want to roll down the window, I just hold that button, and now I'll roll down the window. But as soon as I go to raise it, it thinks I'm walking away, it's gonna beep, and it's gonna lock it while it's rolling that window up. So I can do everything right here that I can do from any other spot on the vehicle, and I don't need the little bubble on the back of the door. Tell me what you guys think. Just a little trick, right? On the new 2025 and newer Toyota 4Runner. You guys have a great day. Steve Welch here. Bye.